So now we're going to texture the rim of the pendant, but we do not want to damage the back plate. So I'm going to hold my hands here and I'm just going to gently. Now this is not going to hurt my finger because I'm just gently tapping. But it is protecting that back plate. And it will just give it a slightly textured look. One thing about a textured look is it will hide any mistakes that a beginner might make, or even an advanced person. Now you could do a linear texture. You could actually do a stamping design. Wouldn't be like a Southwest stamp, but like a linear stamp. You could definitely do that. You could use square wire and you could stamp that. There are so many options that you can do with this design. And pick it up from time to time. Look at it. See if it has the effect that you want. Now, let's go ahead and sand. We did file, but let's sand that edge. You can use your sanding papers. I'm going to use a sanding disc in my flex shaft. You could also put a sanding disc in a Dremel as well. Now I'm going to take a finer sandpaper. I love this little thing. I found it at an automotive store, and it's a rubber holder, and the sandpaper velcros on. So now I'm going to take it, it's very easy to use and go around the edges of round things and of course straight things, but So now that we've got the pendant nice and polished, we are going to use Midas Black Max to apply a patina. Now you could use liver of sulfur, but I really like this for this type of project. After I polished it, I made sure I washed it good with Dawn and the soft bristle brass brush. So just put your piece in the Black Max or the liver of sulfur. Make sure it gets coated well. Then I'll go rinse it, and we'll knock back some of the shine, or some of the dark, so the shine will shine through. So now we're going to buff back the patina. As little or as much as you like. It's totally up to you how much patina to take off. Don't forget the back and the bail. You could leave the back dark if you wanted, or you can bring it to a high shine, or somewhere in between. And there you have it. There are a lot of different types of chains that you could put on this, but because we've kind of done a rustic style, I think a leather cord would look phenomenal on this. With a leather cord too, it would also be attractive for a man if he wanted it. It is something that I think would be very attractive. So you could put it on that way. It rests down like that. That's a very attractive way to put the cord. Or you could put it the opposite way. Put it through from the front and then feed the cord up this way.